Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top ways you can make money online in 2025. We're talking big opportunities, life-changing stuff. You guys know I had to go huge for this one, so we're giving away $10,000 to one lucky subscriber who comments down below and subscribes to the channel. But that's not all. We're also going to fly them out to hang out with me for the day and learn how to start their own online business. Let's get started. First up, we've got remote work and freelancing. This is huge right now, and it's only getting bigger. Imagine working from anywhere in the world, on your own schedule, with no boss looking over your shoulder. That's the power of remote work. And the best part? There are tons of freelancing platforms out there, like Upwork and Fiverr, where you can find clients looking for your skills. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or virtual assistant, there's a place for you in the remote world. We're talking serious freedom and flexibility, guys. Think about it. You could be chilling on a beach in Bali, sipping on a coconut, while you're closing deals and making bank. That's the dream, right? And the best part is, it's totally achievable with remote work and freelancing. Next up, we've got e-commerce and dropshipping. This is one of the most popular ways to make money online, and for good reason. With e-commerce, you can sell products online without ever having to touch any inventory. That's right, you heard me correctly. With dropshipping, you partner with a supplier who handles all the storage and shipping for you. You just focus on building your brand, marketing your products, and providing amazing customer service. Imagine finding a product that's selling like crazy online, like these fidget spinners a few years ago. You create your own online store, start running ads, and boom! You're making thousands, even millions of dollars selling fidget spinners to people all over the world. That's the power of e-commerce and dropshipping. Chapter 3. Now let's talk about cryptocurrencies and NFTs. This is the future of money, guys. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are digital currencies that are decentralized, meaning they're not controlled by any government or financial institution. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are unique digital assets that represent ownership of something, like a piece of art, a collectible, or even a tweet. I'm talking about serious potential here. Imagine buying a rare NFT for a few $100s and then selling it a few months later for millions. That's the kind of life-changing money you can make with crypto and NFTs. But remember, it's important to do your research and invest responsibly. Chapter 4. Content creation and social media influencing are huge right now, and they're only getting bigger. Everyone and their grandma is on social media these days, which means there's a massive audience out there for your content. Whether you're into gaming, fashion, beauty, or anything in between, there's an audience out there for you. Just be yourself, create awesome content, and engage with your followers. You'll be surprised at how quickly you can build a following and start making money. Brands are always looking for influencers to promote their products and services to their followers. We're talking about serious money, guys. You could get paid to travel the world, stay in luxury hotels, and eat at the best restaurants, all while creating content for your followers. Chapter 5. Last but not least, we've got online courses and digital products. If you're an expert in something, whether it's cooking, coding, or photography, you can create and sell online courses and digital products teaching others what you know. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare make it super easy to create and sell your courses to a global audience. Imagine making money while you sleep. That's the beauty of passive income. You could create an online course about your passion, sell it on one of these platforms, and then sit back and watch the money roll in. We're talking about creating a source of income that can generate revenue for years to come. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on making money online. And don't forget to comment down below for a chance to win $10,000 and a chance to hang out with me. Remember, the internet has created endless opportunities to make money online. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, there's a way for you to achieve your financial goals. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring these options today and see what the future holds for you. The possibilities are endless. See you in the next video.